So where my uncle? You see him from your come?
Yes, about 3 times.
So this is my uncle's first time bowling and he claims he's gonna win. So let's see, you know. Alright, cuz, but you're in our bowling skirt, you know? Alright, Shari, you can do this. No, that's not it, Shari. Yes, that's it.
Remember the training last night?
Wow! Let me show you the property to get to there. So we'll do a little tour here.
There's a property.
I said property. But even if I said property or whatever you just said, we don't do perfection over here on YouTube. We do progress. So
you don't do perfect. What you do?
we do progress. We don't do perfection. We focus on.
Aim for perfection.
No, we never aim for perfection. We aim for making progress. Life is not perfect.
So, but yeah, I mean, life isn't perfect, but you aim to not be perfect?
No, we aim to make progress. So if there happens to be imperfection, as long as we're moving forward, we're not gonna stop because of that.
But wouldn't you want to do your best though?
No, you're misunderstanding. We don't allow perfection to stop us from moving forward.
Sure, but
so we do go and we do our best. But if it's imperfect, we're not gonna. All right, let me give you an example.
So wouldn't it be more accurate to say that you aim for perfection, but you understand that you probably don't achieve it? Yeah.
That's what I was saying.
It's the scenic route of saying all of that.
Well, I want to say vocal. You notice how they're vocal today? Huh? Even on camera, they're not trying to hide. Wow, what's going on here?
Are you insecure? Why you feel like you need to show us up? Is that it's a weapon for you?
So what, to show you guys?
Like we're arguing.
Yes, I want you to stop talking. So that's why I'm showing now. That way we know stop talk foolishness. All right, I realize it stopped work. So I'm back at my tour. Okay, so this is the tour. So we're heading to the adult pool section. Out here, very humid, man. And when we get closer, I'm gonna turn the camera down because I don't want to show people and the guests who are here using the property. As a matter of fact, I think that's almost impossible, so I may have to just turn off the camera. But this is the idea. And yesterday when we showed you, our room is up there on the top where we showed you in that video, which is when we came. But like I said, there's too many people here for me to use the camera and not capture people's identity. So as I'm getting closer, I'm gonna turn the camera off and I'll pick back up after we pass this area. That's my brother's wife, mega caller. May say put me in a trouble. Anyway, that's Jay Sean. You guys know my nephew. You know him from our house, you know him from everywhere. And that's Jay Sean's mom, Samantha. So these rooms along here are all family members. I think we have about 10 or 12 of these rooms here. What's up? You okay, Elliot? Don't tell me you're in a meeting, Elliot. Are you in a meeting? Working? Okay. Elliot is my editor. You guys probably... Oh, you guys didn't see Elliot just now. Anyway, that's Elliot's room. And these are some of my cousins. I don't think you have met these ones yet. And this is my beautiful aunt that you guys probably know. Auntie, say hello to the folks. Hi. See, she look like a hot girl. Let me show her in a light. For not understand how much a clock a strike for my auntie here. Watch her. Watch her. Real hot girl. And these are my, you guys, so this is Warren. You guys probably don't know Jade and Tiana already. And the family. And then my mother is somewhere over there. And this is my other cousin, Dwayne. Dwayne. Say hello to the camera. Hello. 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 And we're going over here. My mother and my other cousins, some of them over this side. Wanna get food by the jerk place?
That's the only food and that they have that.
Tastes nice?
Yeah, we do.
So you never eat in the buffet? The food not taste nice? You went try the stew peas last night, Jade? Oh, that's why. So the food where you like not taste right.
Stew peas, it tastes good.
And the oxtail. You never tried the stew with the oxtail? The stew peas were better than the oxtail. When me say nice in a word. We have to try that tonight if it's there. Every night then change the food. Mommy. This is my mother. You guys know her by now. In her straw hat. Say hello to the YouTube family. My uncle. You see him from your come?
Yes, I'm going 3 times.
Inside?
Got everyone now.
Can't find my uncles, guys. My uncle, but you guys will see him soon at some point. And you still haven't seen a few people, but we'll catch up. So this is the pool from this perspective. Let me show you. And then there's a pool bar here, which I can show all these people because they're my family members. That's Cheryl, that's Tiana and Warren's mom. So my uncle and Cheryl had Tiana and Warren. That's a good explanation. Coco, wife. DJ, say hello to my YouTube family.
Subscribe.
What you say it again?
Hello, YouTubers. Subscribe.
Hello? Watch him. You see that little one there? Yeah. See him now, look. Azir. Azir. Say hello. Hello. Say hello to mommy.
Yeah.
And you guys know Dane. And Liam is over there. Liam is... Say hello, Liam, to the family online. Carrick. Say hello. Hello. Oh, Dane say, 2 things he know we stand up when they full of rum. One thing, where is it cause I only buckle alone stand up when they full of rum.
Yeah, no, I got to run back too.
Where is it he fall?
Wait, now you think so about Asian take you on last time.
You see him today? You see, you can't do nothing else.
Why you wanna try out drink you?
Would you try spirit and start styling up?
You don't know nothing about drinking. Isn't it? You give yourself drink some rum and come back.
Try 3.
What? See him today, you know, I water alone today.
Yeah, I bet him stay far from you.
You don't know no more than this, and then come out and drink this.
You don't want chicken too, just take coke and say coke, you know.
No, I didn't want chicken is a waste of calories. So this is my uncle's first time bowling and he claims he's gonna win. So let's see, you know.
Say, look at it, go
Wow! What?
You foot down over the line. You foot down over the line.
No, man, they go with that.
He said he go behind that line.
It did, but I'm going to give him a lot. Try not to come behind that. Sure, it's inquiry.
Huh?
I give you an inquiry. Make sure you go behind
It's my brother Donovan and my sister Zarna. Enquiry of what they call it? Enquiry, Commission of Enquiry. But you know. What make him a go on like him an expert? Oh, just barely. Good first attempt. Who's next? All right, Sir Donovan. Go, Daddy. Go, Dad. All right, next time, Daddy. Don't worry.
You want to wait for one way more with that? No.
That's it, Donovan. Good job. And no, you on Brexway almost.
Yes.
John, you were second last time, or your dad was second? You were second, and then your dad was third. It's not ready yet. You can do this, Phil. You're not doing it, Phil. Honey, you can do it. Come on, Phil, come on. Not bad, not bad.
Get in there. Get in there.
Your turn, Bretty. Brett ball already? Jesus Christ. Okay, son, your time.
Come on, jump away.
All right. You can do this. Alright. Dante.
Go Dante, go Dante, go Dante, go Dante, go Dante.
Here you have your one cheerleader.
Go Dante, go Dante, go Dante.
Woo! Good shot, Dante. Go, brother. Dante, you have your one cheerleader. Woo! High five. Who's next? Zarna. Go, Zarna. Come on, Daniela.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy.
Don't worry, next one, my friend. Let me get the argument. Tiana, your father star up over the other side. Look how Tiana does she ball.
That's crazy. Nah, that's crazy.
Sorry. Tiana, that she ball a little more zen and agility. Better, but just straighter next time. Alright, Dante. That doesn't hurt to try. Come on, Jordy, you've got this. Yes, I'm videoing. You've got this, Jordy. Okay, you got one. You've got this now. Good job, Dante. The mouth just loads me 20 though. Come on, Jordy, you got this. All right, cuz. But you're in our bowling skirt, you know? All right, Shari, you can do this. No, that's not it, Shari. I don't know what that is, but that's not it. And if you dash your ball like a forcer. Come on, cuz, you can do this. Worse than Tiana. Force. That's great. No, that's better, cuz. High five. Come on, Zarna. Come on, Jane, you can do this. Maybe next time. Come on, Uncle. Woo, good job. All right, Jane, we have to get the throw right. Who is next? Claude is next. Let's go, Claude. All right, next try, Claude. Whoa. Oh, what you the penny, Claude? Woo! Good job. Come on, cuz. Better, better. All right, better. Samantha, you're next. Come, Samantha, you have to lick something now. Christ, God. Samantha, slow release, slow release. Let me show you. Hold this, Dante. Hold it. Go, honey, bunny. Good job, Phil. He's here now. All right, tell her that. Tell her you're ready another one. Wait.
You want help? You want help?
Yeah.
So what?
Show her. Right, just knock it down and we miss it. Crap. All right, son. Mommy missed that, so you have to do it again. Oh, we have one left. Go, Jordy. Good job. Mat sit out, Jason. Mat sit out. That's right, my nephew. Good job. Good job.
You see?
Good. Wow. Jason. Woo! Come give me a high five for that. High five for that. Excellent. Excellent. Come on, husband, make me proud. I'm begging you to make me proud, Jesus God.
One more check.
Come on, Tiana. That's it, Tiana. Slow but sure. Woo! That represents progress, cuz. Yeah. Phil, I'm still waiting to be proud. I'm still waiting to be proud. Oh, good job, hubby, good job. Come on, son. Come on, Jordy. Woo! All right, Brett, you have 2 to knock down. Good job, Brett. Wow. Come on. You're going good. Woo! Good job, Sarah.
Series 27 here.
Claude. Whoa! Woo! Yes. Come, Samantha. Slow release. It's okay. Next time. Next. Slow release.
I remember training last night.
Come on. Yeah, remember the teeth in last night. Come on, they are warm up.
Come on, let's go.
Yes, they did.
Remember the training last night?
Good job, Elia. High five, high five, high five. What? What? Natasha? Then teeth? Then that's why they teeth. Cause this is actually gonna hit something. Good job. Come on, Natasha. Come on, Natasha. One down. By the way, where's your brother and your son? Huh? Oh, okay.
Show me, yeah, careful.
Natasha, the run the liquor to stush. You see a run stush? It's a good ball. Oh, nice. I said Jesus Christ. Next one. What? What? Next one, cuz. Next one, cuz. That's great.
We have on track. In lane 1, Odetta, with a total of 25 points. Now she's going for the strike.
Good job, good job. Oh. So it worked? I would do that. I would do that. And I first in my bowl.
Let's go on boat next time.
So Daniela is getting her athletes ready. I mean, she took Natasha from 0 pins to almost every pin except one.
She got a spare. She got a spare.
She to every pin, right?
Go on, man.
Yes, correct. Alright, thank you, Coach. Mats now, Mats.
You know about this?
Mats now, Mats.
You know how to coach.
True. No, she's only taking on one person at a time. At least this coach doesn't reprimand failure. Yes.
Yeah, the ball empty, you know.
Who do that? Who do that? Yes.
Wow, the thing you.
The first time bowler. Can you imagine? My name done that last night, you know the win. Rotted. Are you kidding me? Oh God! I can't believe I'm doing this. Good at it too. Wow! You don't think you might do it before, not you? Just need the graduate speed.
Velocity.
Our strength, whatever it is.
Relaxing speed in direction.
Well, I guess that was game off. That was very nice. Like that's not bad.
That's like me try guide it. Wow! Wow!
That was amazing. Yeah, guys, it was
Daniela, after me give camera, you record yourself. Record your first lesson. No, sir. I don't even know why ball go so fast. Oh, so much lick down. Oh, so much lick down. So much lick down on the ball when they go one side. Come there, the way the force and that's up. So the pin them, so they fly out of it, then just lick down the next pin. Yes.
I know the secret to it, man. It's that she's the way, man.